Hello, welcome to the video. Today we're using this. So this is a Toocki branded, basically like a loop and hook fastener Velcro strap that you can use to sort of arrange your cables. Let's open it up. So inside, this is what it is. It's just a long reel, 5 meters long. And you can just cut this to whatever length, and you can use it to wrap your cables so they take up less space and hopefully don't get tangled. So let's try that out. I've got this cable here. This is a Sega Saturn video cable. So let's just wrap this up first so we can sort of figure out how much of this we need. That's probably a bit too tight. That's probably about right. So to wrap around that, keep it all together, we need about that much. Well, if you want some more, let's just cut it here and say that's about right. That way you've got a bit of extra. Not the straightest cut. Let's see how long this piece is total. Probably about 15 centimeters, I'd say. 15 seems about right. Of course, you can buy ones of these that are pre-cut and they've got like little loops. They can like get it through themselves to keep stuff together better. But that's like a nice little bundle now. And that should, stay together. So that should take up not much space and shouldn't get tangled by the stuff if they're all neatly packaged like that. Let's try with a bigger cable. This is a power cable, of course. The cable's much thicker. Need much more to fit around it. Let's cut it here. Push it down a bit more. Something like this might be better with 2. Try it better altogether because that is a big bunch there, but I think that works out quite well. I'll grab another cable. This one's another power cable, but this one's a bit easier to bend compared to these ones. You get much better loops. Let's keep sticking to this desk mat because that's sort of like a felty texture. Let's cut this one. So to get these, all fit together, and they don't seem to have any way to like get stuck together and tangle. So that seems like quite a good product. I think just for the convenience of having to keep cutting them to size, just having like a bag of like the pre-cut ones might be a better thing to try in the future. If you like the video, comment down below your thoughts, and these videos, and subscribe so you don't miss anything like this in the future.